Welcome to Pearson's MyCloud. This lesson will walk you through the various settings options as well as how to create, save, and send an email. Under the Settings tabs, you have the flexibility to further customize your Gmail account. To get there, simply click on the Settings icon and then the word Settings. Click there now. We are now in the General tab under the main Settings menu. This is where you are able to set some basic preferences for your Gmail account. Here you can set your default language, any keyboard shortcuts you wish to use, as well as determine if you want your conversation view to be on or off. Please refer to the green box which describes the differences between conversation view on or off. As we continue down the General tab under this main Settings menu, you will notice additional features that you have the option to change. One of them is the Undo Send feature. Please review the green box to determine if you want to select to use the Undo Send feature. Further down on the General page under the Settings menu is where you are able to create your signature, as well as decide if you would like snippets to be shown. Snippets are the first few words of the message that appear next to the subject line in your inbox. And lastly, further down on the Generals tab under the Settings menu is the Vacation Responder. This is your out-of-office reply where you are able to set the days that you are not available for email. Once you have made all of your selections, do not forget to hit Save Changes at the bottom of the page. We will now walk through the steps of creating, saving, and editing an email. In order to create a new message, click the red Compose box on the left-hand side. Click there now. Once you hit Compose, a new message pop-up window will appear in the bottom right-hand side of your screen. This is where you can begin typing your new email. Initially, only the to and subject line are visible. However, you'll notice highlighted are the CC and BCC fields that can be utilized if necessary. At the bottom of the screen next to the trash can are additional options. Click the box now to see what else is available. Now that we have activated a new submenu, you have the option to request a read receipt, print your email, check the spelling, or change the view of your message creation window. Click Switch back to Old Compose now to see the difference. This screen is the old Compose view, and while it gives you the same features and functionality, it simply looks different than the new Compose experience. To toggle back, you can click on New Compose Experience at the top of the screen. If the recipient of your email is an existing Pearson employee or is already in your contacts, you can simply begin typing their name in the To field and it will automatically populate. Once your email has been crafted, you have several options on this page. You can send it, you can discard it, you can label it, you can attach a file to it, save the format, or check the spelling. Please note that while you are composing your emails, they are automatically saved into a draft folder every time a change in the email is made. The emails will remain in the draft folder until you select either send or discard. And finally, once you have completed the composition of your email and have selected to either send it or discard it, you then have an option to undo both of those actions. You will receive a message at the top of your screen where you can click Undo a Sent Item or Undo a Discarded Message, and at that point you will be returned back to your original message in the composition screen. Should you require additional assistance or want further documentation, please visit the MyCloud Neo site at neo.pearson.com/mycloud for additional resources.